Grant Grove Village is a charming and visitor-friendly destination located in Kings Canyon National Park, California. Situated in the midst of the majestic General Grant Grove, this village serves as a gateway to some of the world's most iconic giant sequoias. The village is known for its accessibility to natural wonders, including the General Grant tree, which is often referred to as the nation's Christmas tree. Grant Grove Village provides various amenities and services for park visitors, including accommodations, a visitor center, dining options, a market, and a post office, making it a convenient base for exploring the remarkable sequoia groves and pristine wilderness of Kings Canyon National Park. The village's tranquil setting, surrounded by ancient giants and lush forests, offers an ideal starting point for outdoor adventures and an opportunity to immerse oneself in the awe-inspiring beauty and rich natural history of the area.
Okay, I don't want to lose these signs. We do have an extra one because we used to have 3 of these, but we took down this other one.
You think they may? She was saying it's nice.
Oh, just a little bit of air pressure. So,
I forgot what we did last month. What? Well, we go up there and find no, dude, there's nothing this way. Yeah, either we can. Some people walking. Who's not a man?
What did you guys say?
Oh, you had those sponges.
I got I want to go to that other one too. That's a good
就没有好多，就2个大拇指。
那什么会有3个来？要这么有好多 animal。
大家一起去3个大拇指。
哪一种？就大家一起去，只要知道。这个我知道是在，这个是
தாண்டி அதுக்குள்ளே போக முடியாதாண்டி காட்டுங்க இந்த சைடு.
There's swimming. If you're brave enough, you will always have the companionship of the local wildlife. And if you choose, the company of fellow travelers. At the end of your sojourn, images of life in the high seas are to keep growing and growing.
Congratulations on your You're welcome. Have a great day.
You've also earned your badges. So, are you ready to give the oath again?
Do you want to give it or you want me to give it? I can.
I can, or whatever. Yeah.
Bye. Have a good day.
So let's see, we've got a badge for you. Badge for you. Alright, put the right hands up. Alright, I need you to repeat after me. I am a junior ranger. I will protect this part of the danger.
Look at that.
I will not make complaints.
As we conclude our journey, Brant Grove Village is not just a place, it's a gateway to the awe-inspiring wonders of the natural world. From the towering giants like the General Grant tree to the serene forest trails, this village offers a special connection to nature and history. If you found this tour as captivating as we have, please show your support by giving us a like and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated on more incredible tours and adventures in the world's most breathtaking natural destinations. Brant Grove Village is a testament to the splendor of the Sierra Nevada and the preservation of our natural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey and for your continued support. Together, we'll continue to explore the wonders of the great outdoors and share in the magic of the world's most remarkable places. Stay curious, stay connected, and we'll see you on our next adventure.